Um, the field goal percentage, 55 and 47 2 points. Ang pinakamatindi nating issue dito is yung ating pong 3-point shooting na meron na namang isang player talaga na ating, well, hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy, no, na nasisisi dahil nga po sa kanya po na hindi magandang shooting, or he should have been the reliable shooter for Gilas Pilipinas. So 32% ang ating pong 3-point field goal. But the offense may not be, well, ang hirap sabihin, both problem talaga. Offense and defense is a problem. So, let's look at the full stats para mas maintindihan natin kung ano pong nangyari. Uh, there are only 3 lead changes sa una at saka sa pinaka bandang huli, no? Muntik na eh. So, 86-94 rebound. We are out-rebounded by the tougher, more athletic New Zealand, the Tall Blacks. I don't think anyone will argue with me. Talagang mas athletics, mas malalakas ang Tall Blacks, even though sinasabi ng iba wala masyadong pangalan, hindi masyado walang NBA players daw eh, pero may future NBA players. So, 41 and 33. If you look at the offensive rebounds and the defensive rebounds, pareho tayong talo. The assist then, no, 23 against 16. And then sa steals, mas marami tayo. Mas marami nga tayong blocks eh. But the turnover, we lessen it down. But ang problema, nakapag-adjust nga tayo sa turnovers, hindi nga ganun kadami, pati sa personal fouls, di naman ganun kadami. It seems like there's a big hole sa ating pong depensa, especially paulit-ulit na, no? And sabihin nyo nang gagaya ako, hindi, but everyone noticed that, yung kalaban natin, libreng-libre talaga sa labas eh. Libreng-libre talaga sa labas. So, um, look at this, second chance points, wala masyadong significant. Fast break points, naka 19 fast break. Parang mas okay yata na ano, no, na tumatakbo tayo. Parang pag nagsiset tayo, huli lagi eh. So, let me, ano yung muna natin pala yung box score. Bago ako magsalita ng personal opinion ko, yung mga nakita ko sa game po na should be worked on. Again, our question of the day, paki-comment po, uh, mm, ano po ito? Ito po bang kampanya ng Gilas Pilipinas is considered failed na for the FIBA Asia because 0-2 na tayo simula? Okay? Again, it's not a hate, it's just a question because everyone already expect that we will win against Iraq. No? Mas lalong magiging failed. I mean, ang punto ko po dito, um, kahit sana hindi tayo lumampas ng quarterfinals kung New Zealand man or Australia makatapat natin, pag tinalo natin, pag nakadalawang panalo man lang tayo sa first round, at least that's a fair performance. Pag nanalo tayo ng 3 beses, that's already an achievement already for the Gilas Pilipinas. Kasi it's really difficult to win against, New Zealand and Australia. So, kumbaga, I would say, naalala nyo sa FIBA World, pag natalo natin European teams, di ba? Parang achievement na talaga. Uy, nakadikit tayo sa European team. Uy, tinalo natin.